What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be looking at the Off-White shoes that I bought on Black Friday, and they were the cheapest ones you could find online. And let me tell you, just before we start the video, if you like videos on sneakers, clothes, unboxing, reviews, all that good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen. I'd really appreciate it. The channel is very new, so if you enjoy the content, go ahead and do that. Let's get into it. So, if you've been following me on Instagram, you may have seen that I teased the shoes already, and in my last video about the 500 salts, I actually talked about these shoes, that I would be unboxing them. So here they are. These were the cheapest Off-White sneakers you could buy on Black Friday, and they came in at $230 US. I bought them from Essence. Yeah, let's just jump straight into it. You probably want to know what they are, or you probably already know what they are. It might be in the title, I'm not sure. Anyway, here they are. The Off-White Vulcan lows. These are very much kind of like a Vans old school, probably from the Vans Off-White collab, which was completely scrapped. Vans released some shoes that were very much like Off-White, deconstructed, that look like this, and then Off-White have released these ones too. Now I think they were released about 6 months ago. When I was trawling the internet for looking for goodies on Black Friday, I came across these, and there were a few sizes left, and I just had to cop them. So, breaking down the shoe, it is pretty much a Vans old school silhouette with the kind of Off-White stripes around the back. You can't see in the video, but these are actually separate rubber patches that are glued on, so they add some depth to the shoe. It's got copyright 2018, and then the classic Off-White cross logo there. It has the zip tie, of course. You already know, you've got to keep that on. And on the laces, it's got the classic shoelace written on there, and it's actually got this nice kind of orangey rubber seal on the bottom, which is actually a really nice touch. On the medial side, you've got this kind of translucent orange patch, and here it says Off-White, Virgin abloh, and then it has the Milan address. Wearing these shoes, I wore them out for a full day, and I can tell you that, if I'm honest, they are not as comfortable as Vans. They don't have the same kind of cushioning and build quality as Vans. I assume they'd be made in Italy like all the other Off-White stuff, but these are actually made in Indonesia. I don't know if you can see there. They do not run true to size at all. I actually ordered a size down, a 44. I usually get a 45 or a 45 and a half, so bear that in mind if you want to get them. But yeah, I thought they were a really kind of cool shoe to pick up. I don't really like wearing Vans because every man and his dog wears Vans, and I prefer to wear something that's a little bit more unconventional, and they're kind of a bit of a low-key flex as well. You know, they're not the most expensive Off-White shoe, but if you know, then you know. Now, wearing them about on Saturday, people just don't know what this is, and yeah, people are coming up and saying, you know, you've got your tag left on your shoe. Anyway, it's a really nice shoe, and I would actually recommend getting them. They kind of keep going in and out of stock on Essence and End. Well, they keep going in and out of stock on various websites, so be on the lookout for these if you want them. They come in 3 different colourways as far as I'm aware. There's a white one, there's a black one, and there's the red one. You know, as I was saying, probably wouldn't wear Vans old school because they're just too conventional. But wearing these, they're kind of the same silhouettes. You can wear them with the same kind of stuff. You know, black jeans with a little cuff, or you can wear them with, I personally like to wear these with higher socks when I'm wearing with shorts. But they're a they're a bit different, so people are going to notice them, so it's kind of a cool shoe to have. And if you can get hold of them, I know on some websites they're taking orders for these, but they're for pre-order until April next year, which is so long away. I don't know if I'd be keen to pre-order for them, but if you are going to buy them, definitely get them in a size down, or at least half a size down. They are kind of a wider fitment, and I think that's why they fit kind of small. So yeah, tell me what you think of these sneakers, guys. Is it a cop or drop? Do you think they were a good Black Friday pickup? I'm actually really happy with them. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these because they're black as well, and so my shoes are lighter coloured. So definitely going to be wearing these a lot. I'm not going to be too scared of getting them damaged. One thing I would say that I was disappointed with these is the zip tie was kind of like damaged almost when it arrived. And I actually got 2 pairs of these, a pair for my friend, and his zip tie was exactly the same. So whether the production is a little bit kind of sloppy on these, or it was actually the website, the kind of processing when they put them in the box, that's kind of a little bit disappointing from a shoe that's meant to be high-end fashion. But anyway, that's my only little grievance with the shoe. I actually really like it, and tell me what you think. And please guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this, because I'm going to be putting out videos like this every week. And the next one is the Yeezy 500 Salt style guide lookbook. We've got some really good outfits for that, so make sure you subscribe. It's going to come out in the next few days, and it's going to be a good one. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks very much. See you again. Bye bye.